Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets like Ethereum can feel a bit intimidating, especially with platforms like Bybit. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring ETH like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Bybit account set up and verified. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication, 2FA, is enabled on your account to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Bybit account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Next, select Ethereum from your wallet. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer option. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. Pro tip: always double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, for the details. Input the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Bybit might show you the network fees up front, so keep an eye on those, especially in 2025, as fees can fluctuate with blockchain updates. If you're transferring to another exchange or a personal wallet, make sure it's compatible with the Ethereum network, like ERC20. Before you hit confirm, review everything. Bybit will likely send you a confirmation email or require 2FA approval. Once you're good, click confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Bybit in 2025. Remember, stay safe out there in the crypto world. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.